T code is ME 9F. Print or transmit PO to vendor. T code is ME 9F. Okay. ME 9F. So I think I have created in previous classes some PO number. I don't remember. Let me check it. If I've sent this PO number or not. Okay. So print to transmit PO to vendor. Document number. Okay. Document number, application EF. Note it down. Application EF. EF means purchase order. Okay. Application EF. Message type NEU. So first we'll see if we have defined the different number different message type or it's same. So how we can check it? Just open this PO in ME23N a screen. Okay, go to ME23N and yeah, same. Just click on messages. You can see here and any output type is there, right? So we can take it the same number, same document output type. So enter here NEU. Okay, and click execute. If it was not outputted, it will show here. Click execute. So it was not outputted, that's why it show a screen here, right? Select this, note it down, select this line and click on display message. So before output to vendor, before sending to vendor, we'll see our documents, right? It's correct or not. So display messages to print preview the purchase order. To print preview the purchase order. So you can see your purchase order number. This is the contact. Okay, this is the address of vendor. This is registration number. This is vendor number. Delivery date 15/6 something. Okay, if you go down, you can see material number, item, quantity. Okay, prices, all things you can see here, right? 90 per piece. So 10 pieces means 90 something, right? So like this. If you have next page, you go to next page, but we don't have next pages here. Okay, got it? So back, select this output, select this purchasing document and click on output message. Once we click it now, it will say click show your tick mark. It means we have sent to vendor. Click output message. So you can see here it's green mark, green tick mark now. It means it's outputted now. If you come back again and if you want to open it again in here, you cannot open it because we have already executed. But if you open it here with processing status successfully processed, you can open it here now, right? Because you have already sent it. Okay, so this is PO1. Now note it down, inventory management. Inventory management. So very, very important topic. All are important actually. Note it down. Managing a stock of material. Managing a stock of material in warehouse. In warehouse on quantity and value basis. On quantity and value basis. On quantity and value basis is known as inventory management. Is known as inventory management. In SAP for material inventory, in SAP for materials in SAP for materials inventory is required or not. In SAP for materials inventory is required or not, is required or not, is controlled at material type, at material type and valuation area combination, and valuation area combination. Note it down. Go to OMST code, go to OMST S2T code, go to OMS2T code. I'll show here. Go to OMS2 S2T code. Go to OMS2T code. Select any material type. Select any material type. Say ROH. Say ROH. Say ROH. And click on quantity and value updating. Click on quantity and value updating. Value updating. So make here the 4 column valuation area. Note it down. Valuation area. In valuation area, just keep your plant. What you have defined it now, you can keep it. Suppose I have defined it some 1003, right? So let me enter open 1003. Valuation area is nothing but plant. I'll keep here ROH. Okay. So note it down. Valuation area, 1 column, material type, quantity updating, and value updating. Just make note here and tick mark this both. Tick mark this both, quantity updating, value updating, and save. You can take multiple material type and valuation area. Okay, click enter and save. Okay, save. Next, if both quantity and value updating are selected, if both quantity and value update are selected, if both quantity and value update are selected, then these materials can be procured for a stock purpose, and at GR received material is placed in a store. Received material is placed in a store as a stock on quantity basis. As a stock on quantity basis. And material value also booked in inventory GL account. next 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 if quantity update is selected, suppose this is selected, this is not selected, okay. If quantity update is selected, note it down, next point. If quantity update is selected and value update is not selected, and value update is not selected, then these materials must be procured, then these materials must be procured for particular consumption, must be procured for particular consumption GL account purpose, for particular consumption GL account purpose, for particular consumption GL account purpose only, that is account assignment category, that is account assignment category is mandatory in PR and PO, is mandatory in PR and PO, and GR material and after GR material, after GR write like this, after GR material is placed, after GR material is placed in a store, after GR material is placed in a store on quantity basis only, is placed on a store on quantity basis only, but material value will be booked in consumption GL account, but material value will be booked in consumption GL account, but not on a stock GL account, but not on a stock GL account. Next if both quantity and value update are not selected, if both quantity and value update are not selected, if both quantity and value update are not selected, then these materials must be procured for consumption purpose only, must be procured for consumption purpose only, that is account assignment category, that is account assignment category is mandatory in PR and PO, is mandatory in PR and PO, but after GR material is not allowed into a store, material is not allowed into a store, and will be given directly will be given directly to relevant user consumption, to relevant user department, to relevant user department, to relevant user department consumption purpose, to relevant user department consumption purpose, and material value also booked, and material value also booked in relevant consumption GL account, in relevant consumption GL account, in relevant consumption GL account. So this is theory part. Okay, again we have start with goods movement. So how many types are there? Just note it down here. Goods movement. Okay, goods movement. So in inventory movement we are basically we are going to study or see 4 points. Okay, first, goods receipt, goods receipt. Second, goods issue. Third, a stock transfer. A stock transfer. Fourth, transfer posting. Okay, we are going to study about this in details. Okay, so many questions they will ask from inventory management. Okay, so be clear with the questions, and if I have doubts, feel happy to ask. Okay, so first we'll see good receipt. Okay, we'll see good receipt. We'll see good receipt. So let me show here some, for one knowledge purpose, just I'll show here some diagram, just a small diagram, it's not a big one. Okay, how business runs with SAP. So this is our warehouse. Nothing but a store. Okay, a store, we can say our warehouse. Suppose I have taken example 0001. Okay, so in a store we can do GR, right? We can do IRs. So just put it here, 4 points just only. We can do GR, okay, or GI, or GM is goods issue, a stock transfer, then transfer posting. Okay, so basically this is store, and we are performing this activity within the store, right? We can either receive or will issue or stock transfer or transfer posting. Okay, got it. So either we can, let me keep it this simple. Okay, don't make it confuse it, or okay, not an issue. Good, we can take this example here, and one I will take it. Okay, so in a store we are performing these sections. Okay, give heading results of goods movement. Results of goods movement. Just note it down of this line. Okay, I'm keeping here because I have results of goods movement. So what are the results after we are performing the goods movement? Goods movement means we can do goods receipt, we can do goods issue, or we can do stock transfer or transfer posting. I will show what is the difference between goods receipt, issue, transfer posting, or stock transfer. Okay, results of goods movement. Note it down. It's very important. Sometime in interview also this ask what are the results of goods movements. So you have to by heart these all things. Okay, because in initial phase you have to remember the things. Okay, note it down. First point, at least one material document is created. At least one material document is created. One material document is created if material movement is relevant to FI. If material movement is relevant to FI, then an accounting document also created. Then an accounting document also created. Second point, at least one material document is created if material movement is relevant to FI. If material movement is relevant to FI, then an accounting document also created. Next, a stock value comma consumption value may increase or decrease based on goods movement. May increase or decrease based on goods movement. Next point, may increase or decrease based on goods movement. Next point, total stock comma total value comma moving average price. Total stock comma total value comma moving average price may increase or decrease in material master accounting one view. In material master accounting one view based on goods movement. Next point, if GR enters against purchase order, if GR enters against purchase order, if GR enters against purchase order, then PO history will be updated. Then PO history will be updated in ME23N. Then PO history will be updated in ME23N. Next point, if QM module is there, if QM module, quality management module, if QM module is there and in material master, if QM module is there and in material master, quality management view is maintained, then after GR or GI, and inspection lot will be created, and later inspection process is carried out, and later inspection process is carried out, and later inspection process is carried out against that in quality management. In quality management module, and they will take usage decision. They will take usage decision as accept or reject. They will take usage decision as accept or reject, the lot. Next heading, moment type. Next heading, moment type, T code OM JJ. Moment type, T code OM JJ. Note it down. It is an identification for material movement, it is an identification for material movement, and it is three digit number, It is an identification for material movement, and it is a 3-digit number. existing moment type already exist, existing moment type already there, existing moment type already there, with numeric, with numeric, with numerics. If require, if requires, we can define, we can define new moment types, new moment types with alphabetic, with alphabetic or numeric or alphanumeric, with alphabetic or numeric or alphanumeric. Okay, next, moment type control function. Next, moment type, moment type control function. Moment type control functions. Okay, so what are the functions of moment type? Note it down. First point, field selection at item level, field selection at item level, a counting document has to create or not, a counting document has to create or not, a counting document. Second point, a counting document has to create or not. Next, IMG settings for inventory management. Make one heading. Next heading, IMG settings for inventory management, IMG settings for inventory management. Okay, so what are the settings? We'll see here. So this is ECC server, right? Okay, IMG settings for inventory management, SPRO, SPRO, material management, material management, note it down, material management, inventory management and physical inventory, inventory management and physical inventory. Next, number assignment, number assignment, number assignment. Next, define number assignment, define number assignment for accounting documents. Click define number assignments for accounting documents. Okay, so click here, click define number assignment for accounting documents. Okay, click on financial accounting document types, click on financial accounting document types, click on financial accounting document types. Okay, note it down. So what is T code? You can put it main T code OMBA. Okay, just note it down, T code OMBA. You can go to all your path, okay, directly in through this T code. T code is OMBA. Okay, note it down. Accounting document types exist. Already accounting document type already exist. Already exist. If require, we can define we can define new accounting document types. We can define new accounting document types. Also select GR accounting document type WE. Select GR account document type WE. Select GR account document type WE and click on details So here we can see document type, number ranges, account types allowed, and all. Okay, just make note here, document type WE, just make note for your future purpose. Okay, 1 minute, just give me 1 minute. Okay, not an issue. Okay, so just make note here, document type WE, number is 22. Okay, and account types allowed, just put it here, just note all the things, all the points here, and just tick mark asset only, assets, materials, and GL account. Okay, just select this all 3 and left 2 with blanks only. Okay, and we can select here net document types as per our requirement, negative posting permitted or not. Here they have allowed it with yes, it's permitted something. So there are many things in SAP. If you learn, you will very interested to learn more and more, really. Just note it down these points. Next, done. Note it down. Next, that means okay, if you want to see the number ranges here, just click on number range information. It will go to the number register for that company code. Just put your company code which you have defined it. You can see here directly. Okay, but I don't think so we can define it here. We have to go to the other screen to define the number ranges. We cannot define it here. Okay, we can define it here. Okay, you can see here, we can define it here also. The T code is FBN1. Okay, you can note it here. For define the number ranges, the T code is FBN1, and this is for company code only. Okay, you can see here and all. To come back, you can see the company code here. Okay, not an issue, you can learn here. Note it down. That means in GR accounting document, the above selected GL accounts, this one, the above selected GL accounts types only triggers. The above selected GL account types only triggers. Click on number range information button. Click on number range information button. Enter the company code. Click on change interval or maintain interval. Click on change interval. Click on insert line. And define the number range. Note it here, insert, I'll just define it here, some number here, something I'll just define it, I'll define it 22 only. Okay, but I'll define it for 2024. So simply actually you have to define it for 23 only, or let me define it 24 here. Okay, where 22 23 is there, just define it 24 and year is 2023. I'll put this number only. Okay, I'll not take new number. but it will not take. Okay, so we have to change something here. So here I have defined it till 19 end. Okay, so here I can take from 1 2 3 4 1000. Okay, to 1900. Click enter and save. So this is defined now 24. Okay, but we have not assigned to our document type, right? We have defined it 24, but it's not assigned till now. Okay, okay, so this way we have defined it. Back, save, then back. Okay, next, if you want to transport this now, let me see here. Okay, back. Okay, go to more options, but if you have any something, suppose your traditional system now, you can see here the here top level only. Okay, but if you have more options, just go to more, go to table view, go to more, go to table view, click on transport, click on transport. Okay, but this is not, 1 minute, this is for document type, but I want to show you for number ranges. Okay, because number ranges are not transportable, that's I'm showing here. Okay, so let me click here. Okay, now go to more, let me check it here. More. Okay, yes. So if you want to transport this number ranges now, just go to more in AP on screen only. Okay, go to more, go to ranges, go to ranges, click on transport, click on transport. So it's asking some question, do you want to transport the intervals? So you just click yes here, just click yes here. Okay, just click yes here with the click yes. So it will ask transport number now. So I want to transport through this TR number only, so click continue with this only. Okay, so now we can transport this number also with this when we move this TR to quality server or production server. Okay, so because anything we define in SAP now, we anything will implement or create in development server only. We cannot directly create on quality or production server, because that production server is used by user only. So we cannot configure anything or custom anything in the production server. So first of all, we have to define into development server. Okay, and then we have to create that. After defining, we have to assign that development to some TR, and then that TR will be moved to the quality server, and after testing of that, if that is fine, then we will move to the production server. Okay, so that is also the way I already taught you right here. If you go how TR moves, 1 minute. Yes, so here you can see in development server we are defining something, right? And after development server, first we have to test it, that is we can call as system testing. Okay, or UT, you can say UT means unit testing. Okay, and after if this test is successful here, if our work is done completely okay, it's good as per the user requirement, then we will move to the quality server. We will ask here to test by user, and we can call that testing as UAT. Sometime in the view also, if you are fresher or 2 year of experience or 3 year of experience, they can ask what is UAT. So that test is done by user on quality server. Okay, that is we can call as UAT, user acceptance testing. Okay, if here it's fine, if user say that it's good, then we will move the tier into production server here. Okay, and here the work is the orders or good receipt, goods issued are done by users. Okay, so this is overview of TR. Okay, so actually but mostly company na TR they are not moving in separate tiers. Mostly they are moving to the manually they are doing the quality development, quality and production. But we can do move the number range also through TR. That is the way how I just told you, right? This is the way that we can move the TR to quality and production server. We have to not configure again and again. Okay, here, right, this way, just now I have taught you this way, right? Ranges, transport, it's already there actually, but if you want to see, just click continue. It is saved now. Okay, and now we can, if you move this TR to quality, now this number also move to that system. Okay, back to initial screen. Back to initial screen. Back to initial screen means back to pop-up. Now click, note it. Click on good receipt document type. This one. Good receipt document type. Okay, 1 minute. Just see here. You can see if when I click here, now it will go to that same screen FB, right? So don't confuse. You can define number here also, or you can define from here also directly. Okay, if you click here, just now I saw now, if you click on the number, it will go to this screen only directly. Okay, so now click on good receipt document type. Note it down. Click on good receipt document type. Click here. Okay, so note it down T codes. Note it down some T codes here. T codes and document types. Note it down. T codes and document types. Just make note of these three. And let me check if here more. Okay, just make note of this three code. Okay, make note of this one. Because nowadays we are not using the old transaction like MBST and all, because this is obsoleted in S/4 system. So we are mostly using Migo. Okay, but they have given this Migo underscore GR. Don't confuse, it's Migo only. Okay, just note it down: Migo underscore GR, Migo underscore GO, and Migo underscore GS. And document type WE. Note it down: WE and WE. Save. If not in system, just do it and save. If it's there, that's good. Save. Back to okay, note it down now. Click on goods issue document type and observe same here. Migo underscore GI. Note it down. Migo underscore GI and Migo underscore TR. Note it down, this one both. And document type is here WA. It's not WE, it's WA now. Okay, WA. For issuing the goods or for transfer posting, the document type should trigger WA. For receiving the goods, it should trigger WE. Okay, observe same for goods issue at account document type. Observe same goods issue accounting document type WA, and assign that document type to GI transaction, to goods issue transaction code, to goods issue transaction code, Migo underscore GI and Migo underscore tr. Back to img, save and back to img. Done. Back to img. Next heading, define number assignment for material and physical element document. Define number assignment for define number assignment for material and physical inventory document. This is heading for tomorrow. Okay, I'll keep this session a stop.